everyone, this is Isham, and this is day number 2 of the 5-day workout challenge for busy people. And since your lower body is sore and tired from yesterday's workout, we are going to focus on the upper body. And you might need a set of dumbbells or just get creative and work with whatever you have. Get ready and let's get into our workout and start it with a warm-up. Alright, as I said, we are going to start with a warm-up, 5 exercises of 30 seconds each, and for the main workout we are going to do intervals of 30 seconds on, 15 off, in the format of AB, and we are going to finish it all with a cool down. And let's start with the first exercise of the warm-up, which is going to be boxer shuffle for 30 seconds, and begin. Jump in your place, always keep a good form, straight back, chest out, shoulders backwards, and keep breathing. So this way we are going to get our body ready for the workout. We have 10 more seconds to go. And 5 more seconds to go before going to the second exercise, arm circles. And switch it. 2 big circles to the back and then 2 to the front. So this way we are going to warm up shoulder joints because it's gonna mess up our workout if it's not well warmed up. Ten more seconds. 5 more seconds before switching it to the rotating toe touches. And switch it. Open your feet wide and then try to reach your right foot with your left arm and then left foot with the right arm. And for the opposite arm, keep it to the back, keep it behind you. 10 more seconds. This is a great exercise to warm up our back and lower back. 3 more seconds before going to the torso twists and switch it. This exercise too is really good for the back to warm up the back. And for today we are going to focus on the upper body, so it should be well warmed up. Ten more seconds. And 5 more seconds before the last exercise, which is gonna be side and front arm raises. And switch it. 2 side arm raises and then followed by 2 front arm raises. And in 3, 2, 1, that was the warm-up. Now the warm-up is done and then let's move on to the actual workout, starting with the first group. And let's begin with the first exercise, alternating staggered push-ups for 30 seconds. Get in position and begin. It's like a normal push-up, but for this one, your arm should be, one arm should be to the front, the other one should be to the back, and then explode up off the ground and then switch it. For the low impact version, you can do it without jumping. Do a knee push up and then push, switch arms and then get down and then push. Three more seconds and rest. Jump in your place. So this way we are always burning calories, always moving. 5 more seconds before going to the crisscross jacks. And begin. It's like jumping jacks, but for this one, your arms should be to the front, cross them, and then the same for your legs. And for the low impact version, you can do it without jumping, so just open up your legs and arms and then bring them back together. Three more seconds. And rest. Jump in your place. Now we are going to do the same group again, beginning with alternating staggered push-ups. And get in position. And begin. focus on the contraction of your chest and shoulders. And when you get tired, don't stop, just do it without exploding. Just down, up, and then switch arms slowly, and then complete it. Three more seconds. And rest. Now we are going to do the second exercise again. Crisscross jacks in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and crisscross jacks. You are doing a great job so far, so just keep pushing. 20 more seconds to go for the first group. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. Now we are going to get ready for the second group of exercises, in which we are going to start with pike push-ups. Get in position and go down. And for the low impact version, you can do it on your knees, get your butt out, and then your arms to the front and get under your shoulders. And just focus on the muscle, focus on your shoulders working, and go slowly on the way down, and then push. Three, two, one, rest. Jump in your place. Next exercise will be skier jacks. And in 3, 2, 1, skier jacks. For the low impact version, you can do a kind of lunge. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. We are going to do it again. We are going to start with pike push-ups. Get in position. In 2, 1, get it. Good. Always focus on the contraction of your shoulders. And don't go too fast. Focus on your muscle. And never forget your breathing. Your breathing will help you with all your exercises. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Next exercise again will be skier jacks. And switch it. If it's too easy for you, you can do it faster. And if you get tired, just switch it to the low impact version. Just don't stop. Ten more seconds to go. You are doing a great job. Great. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Now for the third group, we are going to need your dumbbells. So just bring them and stand up straight. We are going to do 2 biceps curls followed by 2 triceps extensions. And begin, biceps curl. Try not to swing your arms, and then to the front, to the top, triceps extension. Focus on the muscles here and don't go too fast. Just slowly to work your muscles. To the top. For the triceps extension, your elbows should be facing the top, facing the ceiling. Great job. And good. Get ready for the next exercise, which is gonna be burpee jacks. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go ahead. It's just like a normal burpee, but for this one, when you go down, open your legs, bring them back together and come back up and jump. And if you want to make it a little bit harder, you can do a push-up before going back up. In 3, 2, 1, great, rest. Get ready to grab those dumbbells again. And in 3, 2, 1, and begin. Stand up straight, biceps curls, and then triceps extension. And as I said, focus on the muscle, don't go too fast. Halfway in. Keep pushing, 10 more seconds. You are doing a great job. In 3, 2, 1, great. Now jump in your place and get ready for the last exercise. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, burpee jacks. And as I always say, don't stop. If you are tired, switch it to the low impact version. In 10 seconds to go. And in 3, 2, 1, and great job. That was the last exercise. Good job, guys. And now let's move on to the cool down, and we're going to start with the first stretch. It's a forearm stretch. Try to straighten your arms to the front and try to pull your fingers until you feel a great stretch in your forearm. Same for your other arm. And don't pull it too aggressively, just slowly. Now let's move to the palms to walls chest stretch. Place your palm on the wall and then try to rotate your torso to the opposite side until you feel a great stretch in your chest and shoulders. Same for the other side. And you can always go longer with these stretches. Now let's move to the triceps stretch. You are going to, it's like the triceps extension, but for this one you are going to grab your elbow and then pull it to the back until you feel a really good stretch in your triceps. And switch arms. Next, we are going to do shoulder stretch. Just try to straighten your arm and then hold it and try to pull it to your neck from your elbows. It's like you are pushing it to your neck, but you should keep it straight. So this way you are going to feel a stretch in your shoulders. Now let's move to the oblique stretch. Put your hands together and then to the top and try to go to the sides as much as you can, but not too aggressive. And then the other side, you are going to feel a good stretch in your obliques. And keep the same position for your arms. Bring them to the front and then try to round your back. And this is a great stretch for your back and shoulders. And that's it for the cool down and stretch. That's it everyone, that was the workout. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you stay healthy and fit by eating clean food and drinking a lot of water. And see you tomorrow for the third workout. Take care.